Hello viewers, Vanakkam. I am Revati Dandapani from Astro Richuvadi. Thank you very much for the support you have given so far. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell button. Aquarius. This video is for Jupiter Transit 2021-2022. It's a wonderful transit. It is human nature to expect something good will happen in every planetary transit. As per Vakya Panjangam, Jupiter transit is on 13th November 2021 and as per Tirukanida Panjangam, it is on 20th November 2021. Jupiter is a planet of tolerance and expansive. It is associated with the sense of humor, plenty, good and bounty. Jupiter is called as Putrakarakan and Dhanakarakan. If Jupiter is placed in 2nd, 5th, 7th, 9th and 11th house, it is said to be very good. This transit is of two stages, that is regular and advanced transit. Regular transit is between 20th November 2021 and 12th April 2022. Advanced transit is 13th April 2022 to 31st July 2022. After that, Jupiter retrogrades and comes to Aquarius. In the regular transit on 20th November 2021 to Aquarius, Jupiter travels on Dhanishta 2 padams, Sadabhishak 4 padams, Purva Prashtabhada 3 padams, which are the natives of Mars, Dragon Rahu and his own. In the advanced transit to Pisces on 13th April 2022, he will be traveling on Purva Prashtabhada 4th Padam and Uttara Prashtabhada 4th Padams and he will be there till 31st July 2022. After that, he retrogrades and comes to Aquarius on September and will be there till October. This is the transit history of Jupiter. Aspect of Jupiter is favorable than his placement as his aspect is on 5th, 7th and 9th konas. Dear Taurus sign, Taurus ascendants ruled by Venus, Krittige 2nd, 3rd, 4th Padam, Rohini Mrigashirisham 1st and 2nd Padam star viewers. Your 8th and 10th house Lord Jupiter transit to your 10th house Aquarius on 20th November 2021. 10th house is the house of career. So sudden change in your career may happen. Sudden movement in the way you approach in your career may also happen. Suddenly, your knowledge will be questioned and you have to upgrade your knowledge forcibly, which will make you look for better opportunity and for a better project, which Jupiter in the 10th house will facilitate. Your 10th house Lord Saturn in 9th house Capricorn ruling will make your business, trade and career flourish. Be cautious in financial dealings as 8th house Lord Jupiter is in the 10th house Aquarius. Don't stand as surety in lending or borrowing. Prophet Lord Jupiter in the 10th house Aquarius, which is the 12th house of 11th house. Chances for unnecessary expenditure and tiresome travels are seen. But Jupiter aspect sober. 2nd house Gemini, 4th house Leo, 6th house Libra. Family life will be harmonious. Family members will cooperate. Fund flow will be flawless. There will be marked improvement in mother's health. Your dignity, self-prestige and respect will flourish. Chances for purchase of house, land and vehicles are seen and getting easy bank loans for the purchase of the same is also seen bright. Higher education will flourish. Chances of getting seat in the desired institution and the subject you wish is seen bright. Old debts will be cleared. Health issues so far suffered will come to an end. Enemies will run away seeing you. When Jupiter travels over 7th and 12th house, Lord Mars own star Dhanishta, 3rd and 4th Padam from 20th November 2021 to 1st January 2022. Spouse relationship will be comfortable with flexibility and give and take policy. Be cautious with the activities of friends and business partners. Chances for immovable properties are seen bright, and you have to spend more and travel more for getting the same. From January 2nd to March 1st, Jupiter travels on Dragon Rahu star Siddhabhishak, which will give you chances for abroad education and employment opportunities. Other language and other religion and abroad friends and relatives may help you. From March 2nd to April 12th, when Jupiter travels over his native star Puraprosthapata, you may get unexpected profits. Your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. But be cautious in financial dealings. From April 30th, 2022 to 30th July 2022, he will be in Pisces in the advanced transit in the 11th house. In Puraprosthapata, 4th star till April 29th. From April 30th to July 31st in Saturn's Uttaraprosthapata Nakshatra. And after that, retrogrades to Aquarius will be there till November 2022. So, during this period, business, trade and career will flourish. You may get the expected % profits. Long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. Your skills, hard work will be recognized and appreciated by the superiors. Jupiter aspects over 3rd house Cancer, 5th house Virgo, 7th house Scorpio. From 11th house Pisces, all your efforts will be successful. You may have short distance travel, which will be profitable. You will be courageous to face anything. Children will flourish in education and other activities, and you may feel proud about them. Worship of family deity will be favorable. Those spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. Flexibility and give and take policy should be there to avoid misunderstandings as Dragon Ketu is in 7th house. Be cautious with friends and business partners. On the whole, this transit is almost favorable for Taurus. Worship of Tiruchendur Murugan and visiting Gurustalas like Alangudi Thittai will be favorable. If not possible, visiting the nearby Shiva temple and worship of Dakshinamurti on Thursday will be favorable. I think you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe and press the bell button to get my videos immediately. Thank you very much.